Okay, so let's go. Just leave the takeoff page here. Flight from Kisumu to Eldroet, flap 5 is set. Parking brake is set. Okay. So stabilized 40% and one toggle. Thrust set. Check throttle hold.
V1. Rotate. Positive reading.
I'm not engaged. Gear up. VNAV speed. Engage autopilot. Command. And one VNAV speed. And I've got acceleration. Flaps up. Flaps 1 correction. Acceleration, flaps up. Heading to course. Flaps up, no lights, got VNAV speed, and I'll fly direct to Vanna. Save us some time, execute that. Temperature is above 10 degrees, no need for engine anti-ice. Wipers off. FMC speed, VNAV path, altitude alert. Let's set 250 knots for the cruise. Actually, let's be above 10,000. Let's speed it up to 280. Let's go. Execute. And there we go, 280 knots. We've got cruise thrust set. 10,000 after takeoff checklist. Engine start switch is continuous. Auto brake is set to off. Landing gear up and off. Engine blades are on. Parks auto after takeoff checklist complete. Right. Well, you can start setting up for this approach. So let's start with the bugs. So I preset the final approach course. RNP approach runway 26. There we go, so we've got final approach course. 258, the minimum is 7630. Let's set that. So 7630 is now set, and then we can go to the auto brake. I'll just leave it on about 2. And on the FMC, what I'll start with is the route page. If you had route 2 here, I'd set the alternate, maybe Nairobi. And the descent speed, what we want is 210 knots. Execute that, then come on to the legs page, make sure the altitudes are as published on the approach chart. So we've got 11,000 or above. I'll just leave it at 11,000, and then the center fix Ecolima 010, we need an altitude of 10,000. So I've set 180 knots, 10,000 to be a flap 5 there. Final approach speed is to come. On the missed approach, climb around heading to 110, passing 9,000, turn left direct to Ivana. So we've got 9,000 there, and then Ivana. I'll just set up a speed of 210, I'll be conservative. 210 knots and confirm execute. Then I go to the hold page, confirm the holding pattern, 328 right turns, that's what we have, 210 knots. And on the fixed page, I can have Echo Lima Delta. Now for the approach speed, I'll also set Ivana here just to aid in situational awareness. So highest MSA is 10,900, 11,000 on the approach will take care of that. The aircraft is struggling a bit to maintain that altitude. So the wind is quite strong. Anyway, so between top of descent and landing, we're gonna lose 0.3 tons. Our current weight is 54.7 tons, so that makes our landing weight 54.4. I'll use flaps 30 for the approach. Looking at the wind, I'm gonna use 30 knots, 20 knot headwind, but let's put maximum correction of VF plus 15. And that makes our V approach 150 knots. Right, the progress page there, cruise page there, wait for the descent. Echo Lima Delta is 1147. 1147. And what's the ILS frequency? 1105, Roger. So 1105 is now set 1147. This other side is shorter. Right, so Echo Lima Delta is identified. Let's see if we can see the runway. Okay, so so we can do a descent checklist. Pressurization landing altitude 7650, is it? No, 7,000. 6950 set. Auto brake 2 set. Landing data VF 30 will be 135, minimum 7630 set. Approach briefing, we'll say it's completed. this is an RNP approach. We expect high rates of descent on the approach due to difference in temperature. So we're currently 34 degrees Celsius, but let's say the temperature on ground is 30, and Eldroet is at 7,000 feet. So that makes ISA temperature 1 degree, so that's 14 degrees hotter than ISA temperature. So we're expecting to be high on the approach if we follow, since we don't have temperature compensation. So this altitude should actually be lower if we had the temperature compensation. Coming up to our top of the descent, we get an FMC message to reset the MCP altitude. So I'm assured of 110 at Uvana, 100 at Ekolima, 010. So while approach fixed height is set, it's also a bit stormy and windy, so I'll just configure as early as possible. And there we have it, 19 miles. Let's go for flap 1. Alrighty. As you can see, so FMC speed VNAV path descent page is automatically displayed. If you're on the cruise page, FMC is aiming for 179 knots, and we are way above that, so use the speed brake. And heading to course. Use the range. Okay, so can drop the speed brake. I like to have flap 5 just before when we're turning final. So let's have flap 5. Okay, turning final. Got missed approach heading set. VSD on, just to get our vertical profile and for speed management. Okay. Altitude alert. Telling us we are 750 feet from our altitude that's set here. So minimum is 7650. I'll set 7700, and I'll set missed approach altitude if we go around on the go around. So gear down, flap 15. Flap 15 speed is set, and flap 30. Runway is in sight. Okay, flap 30. Landing checklists. The engine start switches to continuous. Speed brake is now armed. Landing gear down 3 greens, flaps 30, green light after correction. Landing checklist complete. So just use the FPV. Expecting progress next. pilot. Flight directors off. Two reds, two whites. Ground speed is currently 147. I'll try and maintain 700 feet per minute.
1,000.
Check. Stabilized.
Approaching minimums.
Check.
Minimums.
Continue. To land. Manual braking. Knots, 60 knots. Okay, bit of a balloon there, not the best landing, but we made it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and hopefully more videos to come. Kindly suggest the routes you want to see.